Whoa! Hail! Go raining! Whoa. There's no hail. Yeah! YouTubers! Everybody can see my video now. It's out. It's hailing. Oh, dude. It's hailing. Dude. Ow! What? It's intense now. As you can see, there's my shoes. You can see that. I'm gonna try that. Whoa. Dude. There's a lot of. What? Look at this crazy hail falling. Do you see it? Oh, see, there's a hail. I know it looks dark on the screen, but in real life, you can see the hail. I am literally Do you see all that white, guys? I am like, what in the world is that? Look at all that hail! We talked about this time. Look at it's dropping from the sky. Oh. And you guys can subscribe, comment below, and subscribe. Is my camera smart? Able, and yeah, and what else? Please. Look, there's no what? Hail? Oh yeah, dude, there's a lot of hail. I can't believe that's how much hail we get. We didn't even never got this much hail. And listen, we have the first time we ever seen hail in us. So it was 2020 when it hailed by our lodge. Yeah, I think it did. I don't know what it did to the roof. Hopefully it did nothing. Yeah, this is my room, which I got everything, and it's also my almost my birthday. Today, so yeah, electricity on. It's a birthday and 14th day. Yeah, I'll be making a birthday. This one has a seat. As a person, she's not done. Not in the house. It's not my shop. I don't know what it is, but I think it's cute. Look at that. That's cool. Cool. That word is house. I am seeing this hail. Look at this. There's hail over here. Do you see that? I don't think I can go outside. Dude, do you hear that? That's rain. Rain of rain. I can actually. What piece? They're round. This is round. I think I get see one here. Look at this. There's a hail.
Is it a hail?
Yeah, it's a little hail things here. Yeah. I picked up a hail. Wow! It goes to hail, please. Is that hail? Yep, it's hail. Can I hold it? Look. Can I hold it? In the refrigerator. Oh, this is hail. I never saw hail in my whole entire life. You did. Before when we did until 2020, I'm now almost 10. Yeah. My birthday. Yeah, oh dude. Can I take it? Can you hold the camera and show me it? Go. Point it at my face. Hey guys, and did you actually eat it? You actually eat it. It's tasty like ice. Okay, I did not know it. Oh, I got you. I want please. It's my daddy. Okay. It's a little tricky. Get it! I'm getting no. I'm getting wet. You want to eat it? Nope. Whoa! It's gonna put. Oh! No! Oh, not again! No! The trampoline! Do you see that? No! Not the trampoline again! No. strong. I know it's enough to blow us. Right, viewers? If you can't see me, know which this is right, but yeah, I know. Literally, that would blow me away, and I would never make any more videos than me. Look at this. Got this from the connect, from the church. There's a Lego. There wasn't a Lego thing to win, but it was a chest for. I don't like. Interested. I'm not interested in chess a lot. Oh, but yeah, this is the models I got out too. I can remember. I got this today. Like explain. See this? This is a lot of cool. There's a lot of cool. That's a lot of laboratory. We'll be doing this down the hell in a whole for the end of this year maybe. I don't know. But yeah. Say, hey, big authority, you want to say hi to the viewers? You want to say hi? You want to say hi? You want to say hi to the viewers? Please, go to the viewers. No. No. No! So here we are. This is exactly. Never mind. Look at this! Now it's sunny actually. It's real gentle. I don't know that it'll come back. Oh, it's locked. I forgot. I didn't mind it. It's locked. I need to get the camera away because it's my iPad and. Also, you know, it is what I do my videos on, and it's not waterproof. It's no waterproof. In the world. Really do this. You see that? Ice made from skies. Yeah, and you're not allowed to do Halloween. If you do that, I am going to kill you. And no scary games. Yeah, remember that. Okay, so I'm gonna eat these pieces before they melt. Hear me? Okay. Speak. And good. Okay. So we are getting real the hills like never before. Okay. So yeah. Yep. So guys, that's really cool. Yes, I will kick you. I got. That's my house. I won't be making videos of these toys. When I get more of them on the birthday. It is a boat that I made all myself, but it's not cooked for them. It's made by the glue gun. See that? It's cooked. I use glue gun and glue the pieces together. And now, it looks like it's pretty cute, right? Okay, here are my phone lights, which I did not take about. I made them last week Saturday. Well, just look at this. This is the Titanic I made with myself and the blue cup. Really, all by myself. I did this, which I cut myself a little, but on there, and so over here you can't really see it. Here I did. Okay, I'm brave. I'm always sick. Yeah, here's this ship, a new one today when it was sunny. But look, you can see the design. Oh, it's so beautiful. Beautiful. Here's how it's speak. All of our this Nutella. Why did mommy put them down? I can't know which one is which now. The top one is the one that we're using now. Look at how high it goes. I can't even reach it. When I stand on this, I can't even reach towards. I can try to show us this. I can really touch towards there. Oh. Ready, boy, stay something. Okay guys, that's it. And I know I thought that was really big. Please tell me in the comments down below. I will be doing a, I'm gonna do all of you guys with a look at my birthday. I'm so excited for him. So yeah, he's my sister. So it is correct. Yeah, good. These is some cute animals. A dog. A common hairy gray buffalo. And a cow. Cow, can you say something? Hey guys, so this is the end of this episode. If you enjoyed this, yeah. You guys will sit down and did that. Yeah. Or let me get something. Make him stand here. The guys will see it on the next one. Bye.